हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज हम एक और नया वीडियो शूट करने जा रहे हैं और आज का शूट होने वाला है इंडियाज गॉट लेटेड का जो फर्स्ट शो है उसके ऊपर रिएक्शन वीडियो है। देखते हैं कैसा है, तो आप शुरू कर देना किसी देर के।
Boys, for the first act of the night, Suhasini.
Come on, guys. Come on.
All right, let's go, Bombay. ये चलता फिरता शहर, इसकी धड़कन की धुन में मैं गुम हूँ। इन तारों सितारों के गलियों में बहकी मैं घूमूं। अरे देख के चलना भाई, कैसी खिच खिच काहे की घाई। ये बारिश की बूंदे रुको जो चूमे मैं सुन हूँ। दिल की धड़कन हो तेज, भागू फिर भी मैं तेरे पीछे बॉम्बे, मैं तेरे पीछे बॉम्बे, पीछे बॉम्बे, मैं तेरे पीछे 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 भागू पीछे बॉम्बे, मैं तेरे पीछे बॉम्बे, पीछे बॉम्बे, मैं तेरे पीछे 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 भागू। मुंबई यहाँ टाइम कहाँ, बनानी है सबको पहचान जहाँ, आनी नहीं पेंशन और भाड़े की टेंशन। भाई बस कर, अरे वड़ा पाव खा, I got the whole world on my feet, you better be watching out for me। देखो 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 आई मेरी काली पीली, पीछे बॉम्बे, मेरे पीछे बॉम्बे, पीछे बॉम्बे, मैं तेरे पीछे 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 भागू पीछे।
And I thought that was bad.
That was not bad.
Yeah.
Can you sing a line?
Yeah.
That's good.
पीछे बॉम्बे पुलिस, मेरे पीछे बॉम्बे पुलिस, भागू मैं आगे, मेरे पीछे बॉम्बे पुलिस, महाराष्ट्र साइबर है मेरे पीछे साइबर।
भाई वो बीट पे ही मारेंगे। मतलब प्लीज कंट्रोल योर सेल्फ।
नहीं, but genuinely was very bad. Yeah, this was really.
Thank you very much.
But you have a lovely voice. Why don't you sing a nice song? Can you teach me quickly if I want to sing? Can you teach me Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa?
I teach it in Do Re Mi. Do
Bye.
Re Ga
Ma
Pa
Pa
मत बोलो तुम,
Ma.
मत बोलो तुम भाई।
You really have a good voice. That's
Thank you.
But basically, you said you've just moved to Bombay.
No, I'm trying to move to Bombay.
Oh, you've not moved yet. So where
No.
are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
इन्होंने वहां पे गाना गाया होगा, किसने बोला आप मुंबई जा सकते हैं?
आपको मुंबई जाना होगा।
आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा।
जाना ही पड़ेगा।
आसाम पे कुछ लिखा है आपने? आसाम,
मैं किसी में भी
आसाम पे कुछ हो, गुवाहाटी पे अगर कुछ नहीं।
नहीं, sorry.
What's your favorite state, यार आलिया?
स्टेट ऑफ साइलेंस नाउ।
आलिया, what happened, यार? Why?
I was thinking.
अरे, we were thinking which is your favorite state?
Yeah.
We have asked favorite state, not who's the president of India.
वो पूछ रहे कौन है अभी।
Hey, but do you actually know?
Draupadi Murmu, na? She gave me my national award.
Oh wow, क्या बात है, उनसे FIR हटा दो ना हमारा एक।
I read something very interesting is that you have a sunflower tattoo
Oh.
on your body and it's facing towards you because you believe that I'm my own sunshine.
Yes, because when you are everybody's cheerleader, तो तुम्हारा cheerleader कोई नहीं होता।
That's really nice.
You have any tattoos?
वो fade हो गया।
ये क्या है, माइक में थोड़ी दिखेगा टैटू। What?
अरे वो सिर्फ प्रेसिडेंट का नाम रख के आई है। बाकी भूल गए सब।
Your favorite book is Alchemist.
Yes.
Wow, you look like avid reader मतलब है?
हाँ, kind of.
Sarcastic था मैं तो, ये तो। Alchemist तो सर ने ही पढ़ी है वहाँ पे पीछे।
आपने पढ़ा है Alchemy?
हाँ। पता है ना एल्केमिस्ट कैसे पड़ा? उनके AI plus Nova phone पे, which is the best phone. It has a backlit panel, and अगर आप आज जीती तो आपको मिल सकता है brand new AI plus phone.
Thank you. I love it.
ये क्या है?
Nobody is
Yay.
motivated now.
It's a great phone यार, come on.
अच्छा है क्या?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा फोन है. You have a great smile यार.
Thank you.
कौन सा टूथपेस्ट यूज करते हैं आप?
Colgate.
Give that to Sunil Paras.
अभी वो कपिल शर्मा के शो पे देखा ना उनका.
ओह आप सब देखते हो यार, बहुत टाइम है आपके पास, इसलिए अल्फा इतनी डिले हो रही है. बाकी सबका टाइम है इनके पास, कैन जाने का, बाहर जाने का, फोटोशूट. एक मूवी डाल दो यार, 3 साल में एक मूवी आती है आपकी यार. आ रही है ना. बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर योर मूवी यार. व्हाट इज इट अबाउट?
हम यहाँ अल्फा प्रमोट करने नहीं आए हैं.
तो निकालो टोपी फिर.
नहीं.
Personality बता रही हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah,
You know,
that's a good one.
you get me, girl.
ओह शिट.
Good one.
Yeah.
क्या हुआ यार?
Yes.
कुछ तो हुआ है.
सब कुछ इंग्लिश में समझ नहीं आ रहा.
तो क्या सिर्फ मैथ ही पढ़ाता था क्या बस? तू बात नहीं करता था क्या क्लास में किसी से?
A B C X Y Z.
मैथ सिखाते थे तो आपने उसे कहा मेंटल मैथ. वो बच्चे
ये क्या कर रही हो?
मीम्स नहीं देखे मेंटल. और एक पंजाबी बच्चा.
वो बलराज का बेटा ही है वो.
पापा कितने महीने से घर नहीं आए?
तो सुहासिनी जी, अभी आप यहाँ पे कब तक हो मुंबई में?
अभी मैं हूँ 5-7 दिन.
5-7 दिन तक हो. एंड देन यू विल गो टू?
आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट इफ आई कैन गेट अ फ्लैट हियर.
5-7 दिन में?
यार कोशिश तो चल रही है, देखते हैं.
5 दिन में कैसे मिलेगा यार? कोई ब्रोकर है यार आपके पास?
हाँ नंबर दे दो यार. अगर
कोई होगा ना मराठी ब्रोकर?
होगा बहुत मुश्किल है यार. 50,000 के नीचे तो बाथरूम भी नहीं मिलता है.
50,000 रुपीज तो मिल जाएगा आपको मलाड वलाड में कहीं पे. नहीं, पर अगर आपको 50,000 रुपीज के नीचे कुछ चाहिए, then you have to buy the AI plus Nova phone. Very cheap, 12,000 only.
बहुत अच्छा कर.
है ना, बहुत सस्ता है भाई ये. और इससे भी सस्ता अगर कुछ है वो है यहाँ पे Flipkart Minutes is the most cheapest, and that, don't get me wrong, cheapest, the cheapest way you can order your food, grocery, anything, and the quickest of course, but the cheapest also. Cheap, the cheapest. It's really cheap. So Suhasini ji, music joke for you. I hope, like your music, you find A flat. Come on.
Very nice.
क्या मैं लाख रुपए दूंगा आलिया को समझाइए अगर जो.
भाई मैं समझाता हूँ, मुझे दे दे.
Hey, that reminds me.
A flat is a no.
That actually reminds me that for the season 2 of Latent, we have decided to do something very nice, very charitable. Do we have the badges here? Salam Bombay badges. तो जो भी आप लोग घर पे देख रहे हो, you can. There's a link in the description as well as a QR code हम डालेंगे नीचे for like some time here. तो आप donate कर सकते हो. It will be going to a good cause to help slum kids reach their dreams and hopefully make the world a more equal place for them. So Salam Bombay के लिए this episode, all the super chat. Okay then. So now, Suhasini ji, genuinely you had a great voice. Hopefully you get a flat, you get everything that you want, and in 5 days. Let's see. So it's time to score Suhasini now. ठीक है? So for your singing, I give you a 10, but your writing I -3. ठीक है? So I give you, my score to you is 7. आलिया ने दी है 8.
Yeah, I think you have a beautiful voice and you must continue singing and you must continue emitting all that sunshine.
Oh, फिर भी इनको हेट कैसे आता है यार? अंचो कितना अनफेयर वर्ल्ड है यार. इस पे भी गाली देखना आलिया भट्ट को ही पड़ेगी कमेंट में. ओके, शर्वरी जी ने भी दिए हैं 8. सोलंकी
8.
6.
6. तू गाना जरा.
2 1 2.
ठीक है. और बलराज जी
So please don't ever lose that hope. I've given you 7.5. Please keep going.
7.5 by Shankar Mahadevan. So that makes you average.
नहीं
So that
am not
Of
average.
course not. Of course not. You are below
You're
average.
not.
So that makes you average. Jokes apart, that makes you average 7.
मुझे इतना फ्लैट आ गया है।
हाँ.
9. No. 2 numbers से कम रह गई.
Positive. It's gonna be nice.
No, but you're very good. Yeah. Thank you so much for
you.
coming out, Suhasini ji.
Can we have a louder round of applause for Swatini? Come on, come on.
For Donald Trump, Viveka Mununj.
All right. Namaste, India. It's nice to meet you guys. I know you're Sami Rhino. Alaya Bats. Sharabi. What was that? Hashish Solanki, yeah. He's not lanky at all, he's weak. And Bolraj Gay. Disgusting name, disgust. We have CIA, he's CIA. I'm here in India to give out, my real reason to be here is to give out these, I'm here in India to give out, my real reason to be here is to give out these free H-1B visas to you people. So if I like your questions, I'm going to give you a free H-1B visa. And what else do you want from me? Oil. You want oil? Come to the island, my friend. There's a lot of oil.
Actually, मैं ना Donald Trump की तरह करता है. Actually, जी भाई.
Is it time? What the hell? Time's up. I'm done.
All right. That's Donald Trump. So, Donald Trump, how did you? You already have a mic.
He gave it to me. I don't know what to say. There's so much unemployment in this country. 3 people.
You're always taking it from minorities. So, Trump, why you are starting so many wars and fucking the stock market and killing people?
Firstly, if you don't know English, it's all right. Don't be so scared. So scared, disgusting. But I didn't start the wars. We were playing Counter-Strike with my friends. And the other team was Iran. I told them to bomb Iran. They fucking bombed Iran. What do I do?
Alia,
I'm just glad you don't have that other guy. What's his the Astro Run Beer Barbadia? He creeps me out. We banned him from the island. Not your Run Beer is a nice guy. The other one.
Good.
That creepy Barbadia, whatever his name is, disgusting. Disgusting.
Donald Trump, what brings you to India?
I tell you, I'm going to give out these 2 H-1B visas for free because I know a lot of you are upset. A lot of you want to go to the US of A, and I'm going to make that happen for you. Somebody give her a script on it right now.
मंगोल बेटी सी है. तेरी बेटी हो गई.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Oh my God. Samay bhai, I'm done.
So good.
That's what she said. She also said Putin.
God. Oof. Oh.
Donald.
No, it's all right. A lot of Indians call me Dolan. It's true. I like it. I like it.
Sharori, please speak to Mr. Trump.
Hello. I didn't understand this.
घबराना नहीं आराम से.
मैं हिंदी में बात करूं.
Do you understand Hindi as well?
Can you speak a little bit Hindi? Yeah,
I-
let's converse in Hindi. How about that?
all right, I learned a few Hindi songs. I
Songs.
sing,
Okay,
yeah.
can you sing a Hindi song for us?
All right, this one goes out to my gay friend, Balraj Gay. I've heard a lot of these Bharat, not Barack, he's a fake guy. Bharatis.
Marriage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Weddings. Yeah.
Yeah, they dance a lot in New York City, and they have this favorite song. I'm gonna sing that for you.
Okay.
Not in any other way.
No. I don't want it.
Yeah, good. He's a fake gentleman. Fake gentleman. The song is Taring Yachitiri Metashikaratanu Roknabawa Akibichi from the other shots and my favorite part. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. So many holes.
Stop calling someone like that!
Okay, don't shout. I don't like it when women get empowered. This guy. This guy.
अरे ब्रांड क्यों फेंक रहे हो यार?
ये तो प्रमोशन करनी है.
Oh. Oh. Donald Trump. Who's your favorite world leader?
Me. Why does it have to be anybody? It's just me. It's all about me. Thank you. I'm the best asshole you will ever see anywhere. Can we have a stunt director in the house?
My God. My God. He's too good. भाई जब ये नीचे कैरेक्टर तोड़ के ऑटो के लिए रुकेगा ना नीचे भैया ले चलो तब मजा आएगा इसको देखने में वाओ यार
Yeah. You've written I'm a protein paglu and love alternate sources of protein like bhujia, chola bhatura, egg wala cake.
Yeah.
Okay, so as Donald Trump, can you explain this to us?
Protein is important for muscle growth.
Brother, Donald, help a brother out.
Oh, so you can have this protein wafer. It looks delicious. I can't wait to get my hands on it. And whatever it's called, it's looks tasty.
It's called Avatar.
Avatar, like the blue guys, yeah. Where? Oh, Avatar.
Why don't you try it? Should we make you try this? I don't know if you like it because it has no oil.
As long as you're putting it in my mouth, I'll have it. Now we know who the real gay is. Is the cameras on?
Yeah.
It's tasty. It's amazing, yeah. My you make America straight again and make
कितना फनी हो कि इसका यूएस वीजा नहीं लगा
all right, I like this guy here. I'm still gonna give you a visa. Okay, two of you.
या प्लीज
Yeah. Same Rhino. This one's for you.
Thank you.
It says H1B visa, Hyderabad to Bengaluru. One-way visa for Pushpak travel non-AC bus.
ओह माय गॉड
You're welcome.
How long, Trump, until this war continues?
I thought you stopped at how long? Hold on. I don't know, man. I have no idea. I just tell them, like I said, we were playing Counter Strike, and then they
So sorry. We've got another question over here.
I'm just curious, and this has nothing to do with politics, of course.
All right.
Are you bald?
How dare you say that? This is my real hair. I'm going to show it to you.
Wow.
Do I get it back? Yeah, it's all real. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. So beautiful.
Suddenly we have Vin Diesel under this cap.
This is
Sorry, Jason Statham.
Thank you.
Win ethanol.
Thank you for cracking a joke. Nice. Everybody got to justify their salary, man. All right.
It's too good. It's too good.
I'm going to need somebody's help to put this back on.
चिया वो पीछे छीनने को हो रहा है मैं भी लगाऊंगा
Thank you. Thank you. He's a gentleman. Oh my God. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, smells good. I'm not gay. Why are you touching me?
Why are you not speaking to him? यार?
I'm just stumped again by how in character he is. तो मैं बस enjoy कर रही हूँ.
Yeah, she could learn a thing or two about staying in character. Not you. I like it. You're a good actress.
पटी पटी
She's a good actress.
इसको जाना तो मलाड में ही है ना
I didn't even say anything.
Zola Talia for Donald Trump, man. What a fucking guy. What a guy. I have no words for this guy. It's time to score Donald Trump. Balraj bhai,
Brother, it's a 10 on 10 for me.
let's go.
You're too good.
100% 10 on 10
Thank you.
शबरी
Mine's 9.5.
what
Okay. 10 from Alia.
वो
And I want to explain myself because I was actually feeling like intimidated and like I was face palming and getting really awkward and stressed. So
Yeah,
That's- like, that's a
tends to happen to
fabulous-
women around me. It's all right.
no, that means you did a fabulous job.
Thank
so
you.
congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, I also give you a 10 on a 10, mere bhai. And that makes your average 10.
All right.
tell your
Okay, so I've given myself a score which is the highest number I can count to, which is 10.
yeah
Hey, yeah. Good job. Actually, it's the
It's amazing. Thank you.
ये क्या है? What is this?
This is us, yeah.
Whatever you go for it. Yeah? What is this? Is a gift for him?
No, you give it.
No, you give no.
Please give it. Please give it.
Feeling shy.
I don't know, yaar.
She's creeped out. That's all right. I like it.
No, this is a T-shirt.
Thank you.
Maybe that's why I'm feeling shy. Just whatever. Wear it if you want. Don't wear it, but it's for my upcoming movie.
All right, that's nice. Born.
It says born
Alpha.
alpha.
But what if you have a beta? So nice, so funny. Oh my God, so funny.
Make some noise for Donald Trump. Make some fucking noise. What a guy. Make some noise for Alia Bhatt, Sharwari, Balraj and Ashish Solanki. That was India's Got Rated. So before you go, we have a gift for you. You know, you can take any of these phones. They are all AI plus phones.
Are they made in China? Thank you.
In fact, they're actually made in India.
All right, I'm going to put some tariffs on them then.
wow
Varun show तो good था. That's sweet. बस last वाला जो लोन का बंदा था. Awesome.
लेकिन जो भी कैरेक्टर चुन रहा था और जितनी भी उसने बातें गई एक्चुअली इसने एक कैरेक्टर ने में डाल दिया दोनों का
मतलब वो उसको फील करके बोल रहा है ऐसा।
जिस आपको उसका बिहेवियर था एक्चुअली डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प भी ऐसे ही करेगा
उनकी तरह बहुत काफी हद तक सिमिलर है।
लास्ट में ये जो अभी आया चाइना का सडनली पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है कैसे पकड़ो क्या लाइन विदाउट स्क्रिप्ट है
अमेजिंग।
तो अभी और भी आने वाला है रिलेटेड के शो और सब में रहना पे पिछली बार जो पता है जो पिछले साल सब में रहना पे इसी शो की वजह से कस्टडी में चला गया था जेल चला गया था उसके बाद 1 साल तक वीडियो नहीं आई
ओके।
उसके बाद 1 या 2 महीने पहले उसने वीडियो डाली है समय का लाइव उसके बाद इसने एक पहली वीडियो अपने बारे में बताया सारी चीजें कि मेरे साथ जो जो हुआ था उसका मेरे ऊपर क्या बीती मेरे लाइफ के पीछे क्या चला है मैं कितना स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ टाइम को गुजरने के लिए उससे बाहर आने के कितना टाइम लिया मैंने और नाउ उसने वही शो दोबारा लाया है और डिग्निटी के साथ वो शो दोबारा करा स्टार्ट और द फैबुलस शो
दैट्स मस्ट वॉच।
और पहले की तरह वल्गर चीजें नहीं बोली है मेंटेन करा है डेकोरम जो कि अच्छा लग रहा है दोस्तों यहीं पर वीडियो खत्म करते हैं तो आपको कैसी लगी वीडियो बता सकते हैं और आप अगर इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब करके रहिए थैंक यू बाय